Terry, hey, it's Elaine, and here's that house I was talking to you about. Here's me, hi. So it's in North Park, and it's a fixer. It's a beater. It's going to need a lot of work. So it's a very short front yard. Here's the side yard. It says 880 square feet, but I think that's wrong. And I think it includes a sort of semi-exterior laundry area, because the inside feels a whole lot more like about 750, maybe 795, but I think a lot of that is the back laundry room. So it's gonna be cute when it's dialed in, but this is what we got cooking. So here's the living room. There's gonna be this fireplace. I don't think there was a fireplace there. I don't think they're going to rebuild it. This, where you see that open area right there, that's going to be opened up for a window. It's got the coved ceilings. You can see, I mean, it's extremely damaged. It's very, very compromised property. They have a lot of work to do. But this is the living room. So there'll be, this, whether that's a fireplace or just like, cabinets or something, there's going to be, windows on either side. Here is the kitchen. On the, where that that delineation goes, this will be like the little eat-in kitchen area right there. They're going to expand that window. It'll be larger. What you see there in the center is actually a back door. They're keeping that stove. It's going to be killer. And then probably the sink will remain there. Really, it's really messed up. But this area is just super in demand. They absolutely love it. Look what they did. This was the closet of that bedroom right there, and so they just co-opted it for the kitchen, and they're going to put a freestanding closet in there. Here's the hallway, and one bedroom here. It'll be like a 10 by 10 probably when they're done. The closet's going to go here on this wall here. That window is going to go. This is going to turn into a French door. So that's going to lead out to the backyard, and I'll walk back in the backyard. They're still trying to figure out the arrangement here of this bathroom. You should have seen it. The toilet didn't even flush. It's so gnarly. And so probably the bathtub would go like right there. Little built-in. I guess they're going to keep this, so that's good. And then here's the smaller bedroom, and it's got its little closet, and probably they'll replace that window too. So what's this going on in here? They're trying to figure out if they should replace that window. It's got the wavy glass, very desirable, but it's got an operational window, so that's like how you can see right outside. That operational window makes it kind of a little different. A lot of these flippers do it so that those operational windows go away, and only the fixed ones are the ones that they keep. So though she might want you to help out with staging the back too, and I know that you're good at gardens, so here's what it looks like from the outside. By the way, that's where the chimney was. That she's really interested in maybe rebuilding the chimney. I don't know. I don't know that she'll get the return on investment, but anyway, it's not my project. Really nice people. I love them, really love them. I also don't know really what they're going to do with this garage. So here's that little laundry, we're getting toward that's the kitchen, and we were just in there. Here's the little laundry room. Oh, and here's it's like a little wood planky thing is what I'm walking on now. Here's the laundry room, very rustic and unfinished. It's quite a small parcel, 2,609 square feet. I'm looking inside that dark garage, hoping there's not an axe murderer. I'm too afraid to go in there, I'll tell you the truth. Here's the backyard. It's small, but could be, very charming for a sitting area. Some, a great big juniper there, big palm. Maybe there could be some piece of artwork or something on this wall here. A couple of citrus. 3 citrus, angel trumpet, and so that's it. So that's the house, and yeah, let's talk about it. Okay, thank you so much, and let's talk soon. Bye.